Welcome to SkillZone. Here you'll see real construction work and skilled hands in action. From precise techniques to impressive results, this is how things are built in the real world. You see a man on a ladder, but you don't see the years of grind behind it. When your body and tools become one, gravity is no longer an obstacle. Total focus, zero margin for error. Nature's pressure is no joke. When winter turns a simple pipe into a frozen geyser, the perfect balance of raw force and professional grit. Hard work meets ice-cold reality. No machinery, no diesel, just the power of a community. The Amish move an entire barn using nothing but their hands. When 250 people move as one, the impossible becomes easy. Tradition in motion. Turning raw concrete into a masterpiece. First, the liquid armor, then the aesthetic touch. Total transformation of a balcony in just 2 steps. Teamwork makes the dream work. One seals the crown, the other provides the wheels. Efficiency at its finest, moving at the speed of precision. Concrete surfacing on a whole new level. When the slope is too steep, you improvise with raw power. The future of construction is here, adding a robotic edge to human skill. Say goodbye to shoulder pain and hello to 24/7 productivity. New tool, same bionic power. When technology handles the weight, you handle the craft. Zero fatigue, maximum output. Physics doing the heavy lifting. The most satisfying pour you'll see today. Watch the surface come to life. Seconds to fall, years to build. Watch the precision of a controlled collapse. Hours to pour, a lifetime to last. Watch the precision of the perfect stamp. Once the pattern is set, there's no turning back. Built by hand, powered by light. Watch the surface react to every move. When technology meets wood, the art comes alive. The ultimate display of interactive design. Spread by hand, defined by a line. Watch the satisfaction of a perfect reveal. When the tape pulls away, the chaos becomes order, the ultimate display of seamless texture. Here's a compilation of satisfying moments on construction sites. Clean moves, perfect coverage, pure precision. Precise cuts, controlled grout, and clean edges. The joint vanishes, and the tiles look like one solid surface. Accurate layout, flexible framing, and clean fastening. This is how perfect interior arches are built. Using 2 nail guns at once, the worker fires in rapid rhythm. A liquid protective coating is spread evenly across the surface, forming a smooth, seamless layer. Brick by brick, the wall is laid using a guide string to keep every row perfectly straight. The pattern is created by pouring hot road paint through a handheld applicator, following a precise path. The worker uses a pneumatic nail gun to secure roofing shingles in seconds, keeping every row perfectly aligned. Workers move across the rebar cage like spiders, tying steel bars together to form the skeleton of a massive concrete structure. At first, it looks like a regular quartz wall finish, but in the end, you see the real idea. No tape measure, no math. He places the board directly into position and lets the space itself show where to cut. What looks like chaos in real time becomes perfect order in time lapse. A laser removes decades of old coating without touching the wood. No sanding, no chemicals, just pure precision layer by layer. This massive concrete structure isn't floating, it's being lifted. Hidden underneath are heavy-duty rubber lifting airbags, slowly raising tons of concrete. This isn't real brickwork. It's a handmade stencil system that turns a flat wall into a brick pattern in minutes. Here, a worker shapes concrete steps and then seals them with a protective coating. The surface becomes smooth, uniform, and resistant to weather. In this clip, a simple DIY tool is used to apply silicone perfectly into corners. It guides the sealant exactly where it's needed, creating a clean, even joint without extra mess. Concrete is poured into the hollow blocks to create a solid, reinforced core. A massive rebar grid is assembled to form the skeleton of a future concrete structure. A massive diamond blade is used to cut concrete stairs with extreme precision, shaping each step cleanly instead of breaking it apart. Workers mix concrete in a surprisingly simple way. They form a circular ring from dry cement, pour water into the center, and then blend everything together right on the floor. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and watch more videos.